Kesula na listik po. Ke wono amusu na o. O si ni iwe ni e mo pesi etebe. Disike o tebe. Onde te onye no gina akoko wo ni. Onye wele pink so mo ya. O na kushiri amusu. Pink na ala. Baba e ba loka. Le gbo mo koro bia no gini ho nya cross na onye nya ata. Mama wa pa chacha ko wa be ego ko wa pa amu. Expired. Fucha apa. Abamu oyi hoga odisi ke kawamu kawan
biko onwere ihe ndị ọzọ ewere sigi mere ha today ama na ewe comedian and the minister at the same time ikpere ụmụ nwaanyị na-achọ dị ekpere onye ọwụ na-achọgara dị ndị nọ 30 years 35 40 ikpe ekpere na ha ya anụ gị 30 35 40 45 ha nibiri enyemaka wee
ndị chọrọ ịga ọmụgwọ ka ọwụ na which age they are answer to no chere hold on you are too running faster than your shadow isi bere ele ndị 30,000 for that ndị mere gị na
30 years
of
age
na ndị nwoke ka ndị
nwanyị
na which age again
35 40 45 ajada ndị nwoke ndị 55 ka ihe ekpere hapụ ndị 50
okay ka ha nwee ike lụọ di okay kedu onye nọ 30 onye 40 years abụọ nne m gwa bịa onye erubeghị 40 gwa asị ka obere nwa dị ka mama bịa ewo ịzọ nwa mama Kosi I saw her in your birthday.
Yes.
I just remember nne get email and you're going to do something I don't make miss ya I want to know my own time but in any chori lo di here when you came you want to marry opa ni lo go dey be na re nge ma we ni gba kin lo ga lo di ofa you go aba imana diga wo ta ya oh the generator born any share omu we ni akelo lo di ofa na ama wo kwa ngenye gidi okwa ngenye aka ke yin we tradition owe ya ka owo ya onye ọbụla na-achọ di ihe ị ga-alụta di mana ị nweta di abụrụkwa amen if you like go to prayer shout amen from now till next year if you don't have what it takes to get married you will remain single time has gone ụmụ nwoke na-awa just compensate ya gị because they want to compensate you you must possess those criteria that makes you a bride to someone before you can. So many people today, by now there's something happened. I have one old auntie named POS or something. The flavor can happen. The flavor on my Facebook or by TikTok. You know? So there is a lot to give before you can be taken home. One minute not game again. You cannot okay. No, you can't want to shake it up. No. Already Marco. Come on.
Chief Imo.
Well.
Last prayer point defeat here where Bobata is Oma. O nwere ndị ụmụ nwoke ihe na-eshiri ike chọrọ ịkpata ego ka chi na-asụ ụzọ. Ọra wezu akụ. Ezi owere. Biko kpere ụmụ nwoke ekpere.
Achọrọ ịkpata ego. Ele otu esi akpa ha, ele ihe ha na-eme, o dipendịrị onye na-eme.
Ihe ọbụla ha na-eme.
Awụ ihe ọbụla. Ị ga-akpata ego n'ihe ọbụla ime. E nwere some things ọ ga-abụ ime. Forget ya ịkpata ego. Ọ ya ka ọwụ ya. You must start from somewhere. So many people are waiting for. You want to be like Bishop. You want to be like onye na-emebe data. Ugwu na-amị amị. Gịnị go ugwu ahụ ya amị tụọ gị because your way is not pure. It takes hard work, good heart for you to climb the way up or way. So I get wondering something in there. Before somebody came to me one day, said me actually rent to Olo. I should support him for rent to Olo. You see, I go like him, how much is your rent? Or some no more on how much is your rent? Or some 600,000. More on Kim when I talk, they got no loss 600,000. One now, but then more for I saw abuse him. Well, now maybe that woman for the answer, or maybe because I'm married to Nugu got me to when she came into. You must have something. I want to say near more than 300, or more than 150, but I'm not so. Are you getting my point? It makes you like today, the lady now in my house. Then now, I was now. Get the phone, you get right in your WhatsApp, or somebody collected my WhatsApp phone. I said, why? She said, I borrowed money from somebody to pay for my house rent. I borrowed 150, I have paid her 100,000, it's remaining 50, and the date I gave her passed. She came to my house last week and collected my WhatsApp phone. I was shocked, and you didn't tell your sister, you never come back out since then. And I was quiet. When we were here, I sent her money to go and get her phone and return to that person. Because no one go, when I want to say no one go, are you getting my point? So if you want to make money, you have to start from somewhere. Let there be something. Then we go do something. Chineke hu ya na yen na bambo. Usi putere go onye ga agozigi. Mana go we na swim gi onye agozigi no na nka kwugo la madu go ga cho ogbo ego. Every time onye obola nwere ego buru moto ma gba fo onye ogbo ego. Ogbo ego ahụ na so nso. Or ma he beti dia. Go to the and go go onye ahụ go. The moment you free your heart from negativity, you prosper. Your success lies in your heart. The moment your heart is pure, you see yourself flying with colors. And I'm not here today. A lot of hard work has been put in. So get your career, when I get that's all I have to say. God bless you all.
That's all.
My time has elapsed.
I don't know the place of my neighbor. Back no way. So because you bought your resource.
Now I was talking and you take over from me. When he can have greeted him better. Oh, one day my father, mommy and throw my mother. Getting off for your big of a because they are killing one big woman. Okay, one. Only one on your leg is out one on the baptism. And come people when they hang in Matalama for Nama, people beyond them. They have your governor and I'm not asking for much. I wouldn't imagine that have my anniversary on Saturday. Come and give me something now before Marty told him. That did not. Only got two, but the next person that will be coming on stage is Nick Oma. Bamba one day my mother. Papa I told my father direct and I am on a baptism. More than marriage. So today, where you go? One knows who man, one knows Bamba and your grandpa or she chose. One knows of Kago Kumba. That did not go. Mbamba, it's a good man. Abiara Miru Gabawala Manga. Mbamba de Abiara Miru Gabawala Manga. Mbamba mu Mbamba Jota. Mba Yawo. Country
in another country.
Country in another country.
Of your country.
Country of my country. Mama, throw my father. When you go to baptism, because every baptism, Jin. Come on, I'm Christ. I was a Christ. You should look.
That's the money I see in this here.
All the way to see how far I'm from Ghana. Today, I came in Boston. Was one I was not many Baraku, Shilelu Tapo. Who the Tapo? Who want to know the Emma? Who also? When you put on your tabas, that's my uncle. When you want one day, they can. That's my cousin brother. They pull line before the war. Look at it. My father. When you can get in my next war, now we're finally. Category of notes, I will. My mother, wait, Lisa, Mammy, out Juliana. Now, Elisa, Monday, Juliana. Today, not group by wolf. Here, what here, they are. What are the people and you will free? Thank you, sir. I'm grateful. Ya no kulite mo kulite ara na. Ise kwese na dizi mama. Awe ya ko wo ya. Oh, let me add that. All right, thank you very much. We hand over the microphone to the next artist to perform for us. God bless you.
Thank you. As a mogul, okay, Igbo Chidobu, by Oche. As a mogul, I greet you. I'm a kind of you want to go? I had to make a Kuru Bamba Wakawa. I'm going to be hitting association. Happy birthday to you once again. Happy birthday to you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, if you love Chief